In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Fillable PDF digital planner in Canva. First, open Canva and click Create. In the search bar, type Planner to explore ready-made templates, or start with a blank document if you want full control. For a standard size, pick US letter or A4. Decide on portrait or landscape based on how you prefer to use your planner. Before you begin, turn on rulers and guides so you can keep margins consistent. If you plan to have multiple pages, you can add pages now or duplicate them later to keep your layout uniform across the planner. Now let's build the layout. Start by adding clear headings. Think monthly, weekly, or daily so each page has a purpose. Use text boxes for sections like priorities, appointments, and notes. For to-do lists and checklists, add small square shapes as check boxes, then place a line or text area beside them for tasks. Keep spacing consistent using the position and tidy up tools so everything lines up cleanly. For date sections, leave a dedicated space where you can type or write in dates as you go. If you prefer a more polished look, create a header area with the planner name and the current view, like this week. Choose simple, legible fonts and limit your palette to 2 or 3 colors to keep the planner easy on the eyes. Group related elements so you can move sections without breaking the layout, and duplicate pages to quickly build out matching daily or weekly spreads. If you're creating monthly pages, add a grid with equal squares using shapes, and leave room along the side for notes or goals. Keep margins generous for comfortable typing or writing, and consider adding page numbers or a small footer for structure. When your design is ready, it's time to download. Click Share, then Download. Choose PDF Print for the highest quality output and crisp lines. Avoid PDF Standard, which can flatten elements and reduce clarity. If you only need certain pages, select the range before downloading. Give the file a clear name so you can find it quickly later. Once saved, your digital planner is ready to use. You can open it in your preferred PDF app to type in dates, jot down tasks, and check off boxes as you go. If you notice anything misaligned, hop back into Canva, adjust, and export again. That's it. Thanks for watching.